Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, if it sounds like I'm whispering, it's because my daughter's still asleep. It's morning, and yes, I'm eating tacos. Oh yeah, and welcome to any newcomers. If you enjoy this video, hit the subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, hit the like button as well. Sorry, I'm still super out of it. I'm so tired. But we are just going to get into it. Today we're having tacos. Yes, this one is broke a little, and I know that it just looks like a plain ass taco. It's got cheese, meat, sour cream, and then I've got some hot sauce. We don't have any lettuce, so just going to have to make do with what we've got, right? And this is my favorite hot sauce. As you can tell, it's like almost gone. At least to put on tacos. Start with that one. Guess we'll see how I do, because I went to bed last night feeling a sore throat coming on. So today my throat is really sore. And I got Doritos, and it's fruit punch. I've never tried it. I'm not a huge fan of fruit punch normally, so hopefully this isn't bad. Do you like our little bottle opener? It's a fish. Anyways, let's try the drink first, because I feel like I've got really dry mouth right now. That's not bad. Okay, well, let's just get started, get into it. I did do a short of me eating a taco last night. It was so good. But anyways, ready? Let's take a bite. I know, it's not pretty. It's like completely falling apart. What kind of tacos do you guys like the best? I love hard shell tacos, but my husband doesn't as much. Like, he does, but he likes to fry up his own corn tortillas. Plus, I think it's the hamburger. Like, whenever we go to, like, Taco Time or Rancheritos or anything like that, he always gets chicken. I can't do chicken. When we go to, like, Rancheritos or anything, or it's basically the same thing as Beto's, I guess. I always like to get the carne asada. Also, I don't know if I've already told you guys this, but I'm so excited. I only have 20, well, I'm sure it's less now, but 20% left on one side, and then I can get my braces off. Also, well, that sounded really weird. Have any of my subscribers, like, have you guys ever done, like, DoorDash? Like, actually driven for DoorDash? I'm really thinking about doing that for a little while, because, you know, make some money, help with the bills, all that. If any of you have, or if any of my new subscribers, like or new people watching, if you've driven for DoorDash, I mean, what's it like? I've been watching some videos. It's a guy named Bentley, I believe, just to kind of get a feel for how it is. Just to see if I actually, like, want to do that or not. It might be kind of hard, though, because I got my daughter, then we got the puppy now. I just don't know. This is going to be a short mukbang. I need a nap. I just know that our daughter is going to wake up soon, and then I gotta take the puppy out. I did not sleep good last night. Am I weird, or does carbonation actually kind of feel good on a sore throat? Maybe I'm just weird. I honestly probably could have eaten 3, but I wasn't sure that I really wanted to. Anyways, I'm sorry this is such a short mukbang, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm hoping to post again maybe tomorrow. Depends on what we're doing for dinner. I can't remember what we're doing tonight. But if it's not going to be anything good, then I will do spaghetti tomorrow. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, then subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time that I post. Leave me a comment. I love reading the comments and responding back to them. But yeah, lots of love, my WillowBBs. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.